Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about toilet bar safety. Now it's very important, especially in older people's homes, to have a safety bar by the toilet. That way when they stand up, they aren't going to slip and they're not going to fall. They have something to grab onto that's securely placed to the wall. You want to make sure that when you're installing a safety bar, you run at least one side to a stud. That way it can hold a lot of weight and it won't fall out of the wall or be pulled out. The other side, you want to make sure that you use high quality anchors that are rated for at least 150 pounds. That way you have two of them there, which is 300 pounds, so when somebody pulls on that bar or tries to stand up with it, it will not pull out of the wall, damage the wall, and cause them to fall. It's a good idea to have one of these installed on each side of the toilet. Also, one in the shower. That way, when they're stepping out of the shower over the tub, they have something to grab onto. Toilet safety bars are very easy to install and inexpensive. There's really no reason not to install one. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.